So, in the last 3 videos, I've explained everything about input field, all the types and the attributes. So the second element of forms is select element, and this is the topic of this video. So let me get started. Select element defines a drop-down list that allows the user to select one choice, and I will show you how we can make it multiple choice. So let me see how we can create a select element. So within the form element, like input, we will start select element or select tag, and has an attribute name equal to, for example, I will call it. So this attribute is a server-side attribute. To insert the options or the choices, we gotta use option tag. So option, and then an attribute value equal to, for example, make this one JavaScript. So as we explained before, value is a server-side attribute when this form is submitted to the server, and for example, the user selected JavaScript. So this data will save on the server with a value JavaScript. Then let we call it JavaScript and close the option. So the first option is JavaScript. Let we make another one. So this time let we make it PHP, and the value is PHP. And make another one, and the same for the others. So here are the options that we have. So if we save and reload, so here is the select element. We can select just one choice. Then let we make a submit button to submit the form. So we will use input, and its type is equal to submit, and the value equal to submit. It will submit it to the server if we have a server or PHP page. Nice. Now you can see just one option. So what if we want to show up two options? So I will use an attribute size equal to 2. Nice. So now we can see two options, and when we scroll down you will see the other options. So size specifies the number of visible values, but also here we just can select one choice. But what if we want to select more than one? So we gotta use an attribute multiple. So now we can use more than one choice like this and submit. So still I can select more than one. I can select all of them. And also we can use some of the attributes that we used with input, like autofocus, disabled, and required. For example, I can make just one choice is disabled. So for example, I will make PHP disabled. So I can select PHP now. let we make autofocus for the select element. We can't make it for just one option, so we have to make it for the whole select element. So let we make autofocus. Nice. We can also make it required, so the user should select one value. So required. So if we try to submit, please select an item in the list. So that's everything about select element. It's so simple and easy. As always, if you have any problems or something you don't understand, I'm always here for you. So practice well, good luck, and see you next time.